Alright y'all, today I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to get curly hair. As you can tell, my hair is pretty curly. It's been like this majority of my life, but there is a way you can get your hair curly if it's not at curly. So let me take you through the steps on how to do that. Alright, so you need to wet your hair first. I usually do this in the shower, but today I'm going to show you guys through the sink. Nice and wet. See that here? Okay. Wet. There we go. After this step, you're going to want to put conditioner in it. Don't get cheap conditioner. You need to get some good stuff, especially if you have mixed hair like mine or black hair. You need some good moisturizing conditioner. Locks moisture in. I use this guy. Gets the job done every time. Been using it for a couple of years now. It's really good. Cool thing about this, man, it actually has protein for your hair in it. So it's like giving your hair some muscle, you know what I mean? So a little bit of that. Rub it in good. Add it to your hair. Okay? Add that into your hair. Rub it in. Mix a little more water in if you like. I usually like to. Gets my hair nice and wet, but it helps lock that moisturizer in and that conditioner in.
2 hours later.
Like that. And as you can tell, my hair is already getting curlier as we speak. So, I usually do this in the shower. Obviously, I'm not going to take you guys through that. So, we're getting it done this way. Another key factor in, conditioning your hair, trying to get curls and make it long and grow out is you gotta pick your hair out, okay? You gotta pick your hair out. A lot of these little nappy-headed boys be running around thinking that they can get some curls and they don't pick their hair out. So they, wonder why their hair doesn't look as good as somebody else's who actually takes care of it better. It's because when you don't pick your hair out, you're just letting all that, oil and dirt and all that stuff that gets in your hair build up and sit in your hair. And then so when you wash it or condition it, it still sits in there and just mix in. You gotta pick your hair out so it actually breathes a little bit. And then add conditioner to it. That helps make your hair curlier and longer faster. Hey, that was nice. But yeah, so you do that, I promise you guys, your hair will start becoming very curly, very long, and perfect. Other than that, usually I blow dry my hair. If it's super wet, soaking wet, sometimes it's not that wet, so I'll just, let it air dry. But most of the time, it dries up pretty quick, just depending on how much water and conditioner you put in there. So, other than that, man, that's really this quick tutorial, the quick steps to, getting your hair looking nice and curly. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys use. Please comment, like, share. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Love you guys to be a part of the MRC family. So thank you for checking me out on this quick tutorial. I'll catch y'all later.